Hey, it's Oklahoma Foom. Do you remember the more tornado? You better. You know what I mean? I'll show you what I mean. Here's the first 10 minutes of that tornado. More tornado.
Okay, let's go.
The more tornado. Here's the first 10 minutes.
All clear. No! Please, no!
Remind you, this is the more tornado. The biggest one of the biggest tornadoes in my history.
World of Warships win.
Really see that this is a developing situation, developing tornado. There you go. You see it? There you see it.
Yeah.
Now it's on the ground.
That's on the ground.
And a tornado.
Tornado on the ground.
There's a tornado.
All right, we've got this tornado, and again, this is going to be, I'm still debating it, just a couple miles north of Newcastle, Rusty. I want to bring Chris. It's Rusty. Can you hear me?
Yes, we're looking almost due west from down 149th Street.
Okay, it's going to cross the river momentarily, Chris. Let me know when you see that happen. Okay, this is going to, more than likely, it's going to stay going east here. So this is going across over the Canadian River. We're still just a few miles, what it looks like, just north of Newcastle. Again, this is going to be just north of Newcastle within this. Looking at the velocity, look at the picture right there. This is tightening up. This rotation here, you can see this tornado. It's the early stages of this. Different people. Please, back to chance. Let's see. We got it on
It's back.
3 different people.
Okay, I'm right here by it.
Okay, we may be talking to you here a little bit. Hang on.
Okay.
Exact location.
Now what?
Tornado. Chance even longer. 100.
House. Into a violent stovepipe.
Chance cold iron. You're live on the phone right now. Go ahead and go.
Damon, this tornado's turned into a violent stovepipe. It just hit a house or a barn. We've got debris flying everywhere. It's a quarter mile west of I-44 and the river. It's about a mile and a half west of the river. This is going to be, let me see here, 37. It should be coming up on 37, but it's violent now. We're in the high-end EF3 range on this tornado, and it's 37 where McDonald's is, and all the gas stations. It's just to the west, and it's doing damage, major damage. We're gonna follow it here.
Do you think McDonald's will be destroyed? I haven't seen.
I-44, but it's getting a lot larger. It's a couple hundred yards wide right now as we speak.
Chance, right?
If you need more realism, then you... Here's why it's a big deal.
Where are you right now? Where are you?
I am Highway 37 and I-44. It just crossed Highway 37, and it is moving northeast up towards I-44.
Okay, Chance, where are you in comparison to the first Moore exit off of I-44, otherwise known as Southwest 149th Street? Are you near there?
That's where I live. More.
South there. It just missed the Brahms and McDonald's at the Newcastle exit on Highway 37.
Okay, you're at the Newcastle exit, okay, along Highway 37 right there. That is getting ready, looks like it is going to be crossing over the Canadian River there. Okay.
Going over our
Damon,
Canadian...
Damon, this thing is mean.
Chance, go ahead and go. What do you think?
Damon, people in Westmore need to be underground on this tornado. We have debris, large chunks of debris. Give me just 1 second.
He means Eastmore.
It's going to cross right over the bridge on I-44 and come in on 149. I got you a view right here. It's going to pass right in front of me.
Okay, this is going to be a
Here it is,
very
Damon.
large
Here it is.
tornado
We have large debris in the air. Here it is, Damon, right in front of me.
that are living in Westmore. if you're living along Southwest 149th Street, South Pennsylvania Avenue, Southwest 164th Street, Southwest 179th Street, otherwise known as Indian Hills Road, as you make way just west of the Westmore Trail Park, west of the Moore Golf and Athletic Club, Southwest 134th Street. This is a large tornado that is now moving into western part of Cleveland County. Rusty. Winds that could be in excess of 150 miles an hour, perhaps even higher than that. These will be in comparison. This tornado will be in comparison to the Shawnee, Kearney tornadoes, EF4, maybe even higher. Tornado emergency is now coming. We do have a tornado emergency for this storm that is moving into Moore right now. This is a tornado emergency. This is higher than a tornado warning. This is the most significant of all warnings that we can issue when it comes to a tornado, okay? This is more significant than a tornado warning. A tornado emergency is now in effect for Cleveland, McLean, and Oklahoma County. Danielle Dozier, go.
Damn it.
Okay, we're at 149th and South Bay. Just saw a power flash in the sky, David. This is a large, violent tornado. It is moving to the northeast, and we're looking at it right now. It's moving to the east-northeast generally, but I mean, if you are in Moore, I would go ahead and get underground right now. Violent tornado, and this thing is kicking up debris. We just zoomed in. We saw the debris. Now, of course, the trees are a little bit in the way, so we can't see it actually at the ground, but this is definitely causing a lot of damage right now.
Even Rusty, the thing that I would caution everyone on, whenever the storms we saw yesterday, they would produce a tornado and it would come back, it would go back up. This one has gotten stronger and stronger and stronger. We have not seen any weakening at all. It just seems to
Get this off the air.
I
agree. Get this off the air.
It's headed into the south parts of Oklahoma.
Oh, those are cars! Oh my gosh, those are cars!
So it's getting power lines over there, probably approaching May Avenue. We're going to need to get out of here because it's going to come, it's a little too close to where
Okay, yeah, Chris, so right along Southwest 149th Street, that is in Oklahoma City. Southwest 149th Street, as it moves into Moore, becomes Southwest 19th Street. We're talking about Moore City Limit Street between Southwest 19th and 4th Street. In the Oklahoma City area, Southwest 134th Street and 149th Street, south of 164th Street. This is go shelter. We are not here to scare you, but this is a very large tornado, and we want you to understand the tone that we are using right now as a very serious situation, a life-threatening situation, as we have this large tornado on the ground. We hear the tornado sirens; they are going off. We
Great tornado in the middle of my video.
Going over the river as we speak. I do believe it is starting to turn northeast. We get these large tornadoes that become large.
Gotta turn off. I gotta go.
Southwest 149th Street. Let me say this, and I'm going to say this to the